Hello everyone, good morning. So in this session, I'm going to explain you about few questions, like especially related to that videos. So I want to clarify if we have any kind of misunderstanding. So let me explain you that how does it work whenever you see any kind of videos on our channel or Udemy. I get the question about that. If the videos are from 2015 to 2020 or 2018, where you have a concern. So if you see the videos of Ganesh Padala on YouTube or Udemy, you will see the videos from 2015 to 2015 to present. Currently, we are in 2025. The keep on every year. I'm adding videos. So here the videos of the year, let's not focus on the year. That's what I wanted to tell in this video. The video is from 2015 or 2016 is not valid. It's wrong assumption. We are not into that any kind of certain mobile technologies which change frequently every year or every 2-3 years. But we are in SAP. Let me take an example. For example, our videos are from 2015 to 2025 as of now. So I started making videos on ECC 6, EHP 5. So 2015, when I started making videos, at 2015 we hardly have 2-3 videos. Most of the videos you can start seeing from 2016. So EHP 5, and then I made few videos on EHP 7 later. EHP 7 later. Few videos I made on EHP 8. Okay. When it comes to S4HANA, I made few videos on 1909, but nowadays most of the videos are made on S4HANA 2022, and even I took the server of 2023. So the coming videos you can see few in 2022 and 2023 where you don't have much difference. So you have to focus on the version of SAP which I used to make the videos in 2015 or 16, not the year. So what are the topics? Let's take an example which I made in 2015, the most popular video on our channel, one of the most popular, I think you can say like top 3, SAP MM FI integration video, which was made in the year of 2015. If you see, the video was made in 2015 in EHP 5. The concept, let's take the concept of the video, like the valuation class, start of accounts, account modifier, GL account, account category reference. Whatever you learn in this video, all the concepts are absolutely useful in 2025 also. So don't consider the year, you focus on the topics. I'm continuously reviewing my content, whether it is on Google Drive or YouTube or Udemy. Any topics which are not going to be useful anywhere, then definitely I will remove that video, or I will give a statement that this video is applicable only for ECC and not applicable in S4HANA, or this video is only applicable in S4HANA. And any topic if I find which is not useful anywhere in ECC or S4HANA, definitely I will unlist or I will remove that. If you find any video on our YouTube channel or Udemy, this video is no more useful, please provide your comments so that definitely I will review from my end. And once I confirm that is valid, then definitely we will remove it. So this is a video I wanted to guide the people who have that wrong assumption or wrong understanding that 2016-17 videos are no more uses. It is still valid, but we are keep evolving and keep learning new things. So I keep on adding the new videos which are applicable in S4HANA. And if there is a video which is useful in ECC and S4HANA, in both the areas it is useful, then those videos I'm keeping, although those are 15, 16, 17 videos. I hope you got an idea and you got clarification for your question. If you have any other topics in our YouTube or YouTube Udemy and which is not applicable in current thing, or you have certain query, please put a comment so that definitely I will clarify if there is any kind of input I need to give. And if you are following me on Udemy, you can see that every, for example, master data, I keep adding like business partner, info record changes, the indicator, they keep adding that S4HANA bytes. The ECC core I want to continue, and I will keep adding the S4HANA based on the new learning and new introduction from SAP. So that there are 30,000 customers are still using ECC. They are going to migrate to S4HANA in coming years. And those 30,000 customers need support consultants who need ECC knowledge. So that I'm trying to cover both ECC and S4HANA to mitigate the market requirement for ECC customers and S4HANA customers. I hope you are enjoying in learning with our videos. If you have any valuable inputs, please put a comment so that definitely I will consider to improve myself. Life is journey of continuous learning and continuous improvement. Then only we can achieve what we need. Thanks again for your strong support in last 10 years. And if you are learning on Udemy, please provide your ratings. And if you're watching on YouTube, please share our videos with your circle, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon with another video. Thank you.